Welcome to another tutorial on how to schedule and manage appointments. You'll see how to efficiently organize calendars, assign exam rooms, and manage patient details to enhance your workflow. Vozo offers multiple options to schedule an appointment. Let's look at the first option. Click Schedule from the left side menu. It will open multiple submenus. You need to click Calendar. It will open your calendar page. To book an appointment, click anywhere on the calendar at the desired time. Now the appointment pop-up will open, where you need to fill in the required fields such as patient, date, time, status, recurring option, and exam room. Let's fill in the fields one by one. In the first field, select the patient for whom you are scheduling the appointment. You can search for the patient or choose from the drop-down list. Click here to continue setting up the appointment profile. You can choose the option that best fits the appointment. For now, we'll select New Patient. Now we need to fill the appointment status. Let's choose Scheduled option. You must fill in the exam room field to create an appointment. If no exam room is selected, the appointment cannot be created. Click Exam Room 1 to assign this room for the patient's appointment. Click Save to confirm and save the appointment information. This is the second way to create an appointment. In the top bar menu, you will see a Create button. Click the button to start creating a new appointment. Now choose Create Appointment to add the new appointment to the schedule. That's it. Fill in the details, and your appointment will appear on the calendar page. Click Patient from the left side menu. Click Patients to view the list of all registered patients. Now select the patient for whom you want to schedule an appointment. After clicking the patient, you will be taken to the patient chart, where you will see a calendar icon. Click it to schedule an appointment. That's how you can schedule an appointment from the patient chart. Now let's see the other options available on the calendar page. When you click the Today button, it will take you to today's calendar view. Click Day to change the calendar view to a single day format. Click Week to display the calendar in a weekly format. Click here to open Next Day calendar view. Click Week to view the calendar by week again. You can choose Day, Week, or Month view to see all appointments. Admins and users with permission to access the calendar page can view appointments across multiple facilities here. Similarly, you can also view appointments for multiple providers, as well as exam rooms. This demo highlights how Vozo Health simplifies scheduling and patient management by enabling efficient calendar navigation, appointment creation, and patient detail handling. Start optimizing your healthcare workflow today by exploring Vozo Health scheduling features.